is the trolley in Uptown. We are here in the West Village area. We're about to go see the art and they're gonna let us check it out. So I'm excited.
I'm like, oh my God, shawty tender like a strip. I'm like, oh my God, shawty came in with the...
Okay, so I guess if you take the DART every day, this little screen here in their lobby is gonna tell you what trains are on schedule and how quickly they're coming, it looks like. So yeah, this is super handy if you take the DART to commute every day.
And a friend came for the show.
Okay, so we're on the 19th floor. We're about to check out, I don't know if this is the model or the vacant apartment, but either way, we're gonna check it out and it's gonna be badass. So let's see. I'm nervous. This is gorgeous. Obviously, this view is insane. Like, literally, this is the only thing I even care about right now. But this kitchen, though, is gorgeous. Like, that's one thing I don't like about a lot of apartments is a lot of them are very cookie cutter and they look the same, but this is beautiful. First of all, these cabinets, like, they're so deep. I mean, I can barely touch back here, so you can fit tons of stuff in this kitchen for sure. And this color, I'm not even really sure exactly what color these cabinets are. Like, is it gray? Is it blue? I love it though. Like, this is the perfect modern neutral color. I mean, you can design this living room however you want. So, one of my girlfriends, she says that she has a bougie refrigerator, so this would fall in that category. But let's go check out the rest of this place.
Like lemonade.
Okay, so I think this is the master. You have your bathroom that's connected right here, so I'm gonna go with this is the master. You have double sinks, you have a stand-up shower, love those, and you also have a bathtub too. Let's check out the closet though. Okay, this is the closet. Master closet, not bad, not bad. I love how all of these shelves are customizable. Obviously I can't talk, but yeah, you can customize this closet. So however you wanna set it up, it's yours to make your own. I love when a property just really pays attention to detail. So like this, for instance, this is one less thing you have to worry about hanging up. They already have it here, perfect for your towels or for your robe. Even, this is kind of weird, but even these toilets are eco-friendly. And I've seen bathroom lighting in a million different apartments. Like, all you girls that do those makeup tutorials, this lighting is perfect for you. It's amazing. We had to take a little bit of a break because myself, Chris, you couldn't get it open. So we had to call downstairs and we got Quentin, our friend. He came and opened the door for us. So now we can check out the patio. And I still can't get it open. As you can see, we're literally right off 75. So if you're going south of Dallas, if you're going up north, you're right on the highway, so you can get anywhere in a matter of minutes. I love this. All right, let's go check out what they have in the fridge. Chris, are you thirsty? Thought so. Okay, so now that you guys saw a 1 and a 2 bedroom apartment, we're gonna show you the 6th floor. This is where all of the amenities are, and this property has the best amenities I've seen at any building, so I can't wait to show you.
Look like Brad Pitt, 5-star hotel, doorman look like Braxton, fancy.
Okay, so along with the fitness center that they have here, they also have these 3 private studios. So you have brand new Peloton bikes here in this room, fitness on demand if you want to have a little bit of privacy, and then this is my favorite part of the gym. This whole little boxing machine situation. So let's see what I can do.
Make her feel like Jasmine, make her feel like jazz. Make me feel like I choose you like I'm...
Okay, now this is worth mentioning. If you know me personally, you know that I'm a little bit of a hippie and I'm also a nerd. Now, this was really interesting to me. Have you ever seen a living plant wall? I mean, this entire wall is an actual living thing. I just think that's so cool.
Let me crash.
So for those of you who are really into wellness, you will love the art. And they have this entire spa that's private just for the residents.
Thank you, Lord. Remember eating dinner kitchen.
So here at the Arden, they have all of their amenities on one floor, which I think is super convenient. They have an outdoor pool, they have an amazing spa, and they have all of these different lounge spaces that are honestly set up for someone who works from home. You have all of these private workstations, which I think is super cool because you basically have your own office in your building. Now check this out. Something that I always look for whenever I'm working is a comfortable place to sit that I'm gonna hang out for hours. And these rooms, you can actually shut off, and they also have sound barriers too. So if you're loud like me, no one's gonna hear you.
Growing on the tree, it's gonna cause a shade. Please, can you hold on, please?
So one of the main amenities here at the Arden is its location in West Village. Let's go see what's in walking distance.
Cause me and Chance ain't gonna take long.
Used to carry all the groceries in one trip. Hercules.
As you can see, there's so much going on here down in West Village, which is walking distance to the Arden. This is my #1 area to come to grab happy hour. If you want to schedule your private tour, click on the link below or give them a call. But as for now, I gotta figure out between Taco Diner or Mi Casina because I'm gonna grab me a Mambo taxi.
Too much dip on my chip. Stiff on my jig to give my lip